Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video is a little special because it's got nothing to do with resume, interview preparation, all of that, and it's a little off track, but it's not completely isolated from Career Solutions by Ashna Jain, right? And also I really decided to shoot a video like literally in the moment. It wasn't pre-decided. I was supposed to upload another video about something else today, but I thought why not, like, right? And that was the point of creating this YouTube channel in the first place, so that I could give you a bit of more informal side about my life, about some updates that what has been happening on Career Solutions front, etc., right? So with that said, let's just quickly move on to what this video is about, and I'll give you a little backstory to it. So what happened today, like at around like 9 a.m. or something, I got a message on my phone saying that your delivery is going to be shipped, has already been shipped and it's going to reach you today. And I racked my brains to remember what had I ordered that is going to reach me, and I had ordered nothing recently. So I just kept thinking, I thought maybe it's a wrong message, it reached me and it was supposed to reach someone else, etc., and I completely forgot about it. At around 10:15 a.m., I somebody rang like the doorbell, and like someone in my house got this parcel upstairs in my room and said that somebody sent this parcel for you. I said, I think there's a mistake, I haven't ordered anything. And she said it's for somebody called Anisha. I thought, maybe it's a wrong parcel, it has just reached me wrongly, and we'll just tell the person, he'll deliver it to the correct address. So then I saw the parcel. It literally has Ashna Jain written on the parcel, and it has my address. So I was again I just kept thinking that what is it, and it's like a huge parcel, right? So I was really wondering that what is it, like what it could be, who's ordered it. I literally thought that it's my fiance who's ordered some gift for me, but clearly not. And I just thought, because he generally does that, so I just thought, maybe like Deepak sent a gift for me. But it wasn't the case, because the first tape when I opened, I literally figured that who sent this parcel. But it was such a surprise, because I'm a very small creator, right? Like, I literally have only 5,000 followers. I'm very thankful for all of those 5,000 followers who are there connected with me on Instagram, Curry Solutions by Ashna Jain. But it's a huge deal, like if Instagram is literally taking the effort of sending me something. So with that said, I'll quickly take you guys through the unboxing. I literally haven't even opened the tapes for it. I'll just do that, and once that is done, I'll show you what all is there inside. I'm really bad at unboxing, and obviously I don't think I need to say this, but it's not a paid promotion at all, because I don't know why would Instagram pay for something, right? Why would they pay me for something out of everybody? So this is this. Just a second. I told you I'm very clumsy with the unboxings. So this is exactly what it looks like. Okay, so now that I've shown you how the box looks like, it's like pretty amazing for me, and I'm too stoked honestly to be opening this. And I'm doing this for the first time. I swear I'm doing it for the first time with all of you guys. So let's just see what's there. So okay, they have this welcome to the Born on Instagram family. I am super pumped to see what is there. They have this message. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll just see. Congratulations, you're now part of the Born on Instagram creator community. It's creators like you that make the world so awesome. And it says that now I'm a Born on Instagram recognized creator. That is pretty awesome. Okay, they have this little something. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is amazing. This is like presented to Career Solutions by Ashna Jain. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep anything else on my table apart from this. Like, I'm going to show it to everybody, and I'm going to put it on my table for all times to come. So this is again pretty amazing. Let's see what else is there. Okay, they have this cute Instagram cushion again. This I'm going to just put it somewhere where everybody can see. So this is again amazing. And lastly, they've sent me a sunset lamp that is amazing. I mean, I am so happy. Like, you know, it's almost kiddish for me to actually keep saying amazing for everything that I have received in this, but it's genuinely amazing for me. And I don't know, like, I think I should just thank you guys for this, because you guys have been connected with me on Instagram and have, you know, allowed me to portray my skill set in front of you, or say, you know, to put out my thoughts about careers, to put out my thoughts about opportunities, etc., all of that. So that is, like, you know, I think it's literally because of the people who've been connected with me on Instagram. Say for instance, if I had no audience on Instagram, obviously Instagram wouldn't have sent me this. So I don't know, like, I'm very thankful and I'm showing my gratitude towards each one of you who's been connected with me on Instagram right from day one till date. So yeah, I think that was that. So I'll just see you quickly next week, maybe with another video on some career related aspect. Till then, feel free to get connected with me on Instagram, which is Career Solutions by Ashna Jain. I've said it ample number of times already. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Till then, goodbye and good luck.